We have all been there. You're busy working when a notification pops up saying software update available, and you immediately click it away. Because you're busy, that message feels like an interruption. It is easy to hit remind me later and get right back to what you were doing. But while that choice feels like a small way to save time, it actually leaves a gap in your security that you cannot see. By choosing momentary convenience, you're leaving your device's basic defenses turned off. To see how this works, think of your computer as a physical office building. Delaying an update is like leaving its ground floor doors and windows wide open. Malware acts as digital trespassers, specifically looking for these open windows. Once they find a way in, they can steal information, damage your files, or lock you out of your system entirely. Software weaknesses are just unlocked doors waiting for an opportunist to walk through. It is easy to assume that updates are just about new looks, like a different layout or new emojis. But the most important part of an update is a patch. A patch is a repair designed to fix a specific security weakness in your software. On our building, a patch works like a deadbolt. It flies onto that open window and snaps it shut. Once that patch is installed, the entryway is sealed, and the trespassers are blocked from getting inside. These repairs keep your operating system, your web browser, and your Office apps safe from known threats. That makes every update a vital security repair that keeps your digital workspace functional. The risk increases the moment an update is released. This is because attackers look closely at the new code to see exactly which weaknesses were being fixed. They then use automated tools to scan the internet, hunting for any device that hasn't installed the fix yet. The longer you wait to install the update, the more time these attackers have to find those cracks in your defense. Even when you finally click install, there is often one last step to take. Think of the update as putting the lock on the door. A system restart is what finishes the job and ensures the lock is actually holding. While some fixes work immediately, waiting to restart often leaves the final steps of your protection unfinished. It is easy to think of your computer as a private space, but your device is part of a much larger community. Our building is part of a connected neighborhood. These data pathways link your device to every other person in the organization. If a trespasser gets into one building through an unpatched window, they can use these internal paths to reach others. This means just one delayed update can quickly put the data and the safety of the entire team at risk. Cybersecurity is a team effort. Your individual habits form the defense that protects everyone you work with. You can help keep our digital shield strong by following 3 simple steps. First, update promptly. When that notification appears, install the fix right away instead of waiting. Second, restart when required. This allows your computer to finish the setup and secure the new locks. And third, report any issues. If an update fails or looks strange, let the IT department know so they can help. You do not need to be a technical expert to be the absolute most important part of our security. When we update, restart, and report, we build a resilient shield for the whole organization.